Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make roti. Now we're going to put some flour, maybe about 2 or 3 cups will be fine. I use 3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. What we're going to do is we're going to just mix it up a little bit. And what we're going to do, put some water. And then we're going to just working it with our hands. So it'll be even like a pastry dough. As you're kneading it, mix it up. You don't want it too wet. You want it to be like moist. And like just knead it in. A little sticky. What you do is you can take some dry flour and put it over it. What we're gonna do is set the bowl there and knead it on top of the counter. So what you have to do, if it's still sticky, you still add some dough and some flour over like this, and work yourself into it. Nice and firm. If you find yourself it's still sticky, you still add a little more flour in it. Now it's nice and firm now. All you have to do is just put it in a plate like that and just set it a tea towel for at least maybe 10 minutes. So now guys, we're back. So we're going to take the cloth off now and take it right here, work yourself into it again. Okay, there. Put a little flour in it, roll it out. This. Then we're going to make a little ball out of it, pinch it up. Roll it like that. Just continue to do that. So guys, that's what it looks like. So you take one, put some flour in it, and you go like this with it, like you. Then you take the rolling pin. Put some flour in your rolling pin, and now you do is just roll it out. As you're rolling out, you want to make sure you get all the corners even. Make it like a circle. The more stretchy it is, the thinner it is, the better it is. Corners evenly. There guys, you dust it like this, flour out. And this you put on your tawa. This thing called a tawa. So you can see the bubbles on it. You just gonna put some oil over it now. And then you have to flip it other side. Put some oil over it. If you want, if you don't have oil, you can also use ghee. That's clarified butter. This is called Guyanese roti. Between Indian roti and Guyanese roti, use white flour for a Guyanese roti. The Guyanese roti is white flour, it's stretchy, and it turns like flaky. And the Indian roti has a different flour to that, the whole wheat flour they make the roti with. So that turns a little bit different. And you see nice and bubble and brownish, that means it's done. You just want to make sure to get the corners in good dough. Nice and soft. So guys, I'm going to show you, continue making them, and then I'll show it again, the rest. So you can see guys, we're all finished now. All the rotis are all done. So I will show you, I'll break it and see how soft and tender it is, how easy to break. Look how easy to break the roti. So what you do is, you can break a piece like this and you can just dip it. You dip it with the yogurt, or you can dip it with a char. This is called a char. It's chili pickle, so you can try that with it. Anything you can, lentil or spinach or anything. So with curry stuff, you can eat anything with roti. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Comment down below whatever food you want me to make. You just let me know.